Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play Rayman Origins on Android only way. Start by preparing your device, free up storage, enable unknown apps, and install a file manager. Download the exact game package and matching data files from a trusted source and place them in the correct folder structure. Use a compatible emulator if required, configure controls, and test performance before playing to ensure a smooth experience on your phone. First, allow unknown app installs and prepare a reliable file manager for organization. Next, transfer the APK and data files to your device and place them exactly where the emulator expects them. Then, install the APK and confirm the emulator can read the data folder. Configure input mapping, display options, and performance presets. Finally, launch the game, test a short level to confirm stability, and back up your save once everything runs smoothly. If you are finding this tutorial helpful, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a tidy little helper that cleans while you game, with voice control and smart mapping that saves you chore time. I love how it lets me relax and keep my play space spotless. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For the best play experience, use a Bluetooth controller and map buttons to the classic layout. Tweak frame limit and rendering resolution to keep a steady frame rate while preserving battery life. Close background apps and enable any high-performance mode available on your device to reduce thermal throttling. If stutters appear, lower resolution or enable frame skip. Finally, save often and keep backups so you never lose progress during unexpected crashes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.